this new video. This is the video of the second SQL practice exercise. Here we are going to practice different SQL problems. So as we started solving SQL questions from our previous video, we will continue the same in this video. We will solve Hackerrank SQL problems. So let us start and see the first problem of this video. So the problem is, query the name of any student in students who scored higher than 75 marks. Order your output by the last 3 characters of each name. If 2 or more students both have names ending in the same last 3 characters like Bobby, Robbie, etc., secondary sort them by ascending ID. Well, we have been given a description of the students table. Students table has 3 columns: ID, name, and marks. And at the same time, the data type of these 3 columns has also been given. We are also given a sample example to understand this problem in a better manner. Also, we are given both the sample input and sample output. Here we have 3 names in the output, that is Ashley, Julia, and Belvay. These are the only 3 whose marks are more than 75. And we can notice that the last 3 letters of all the characters are sorted. So now we write a query whose output is like this. Well, this is a simple problem, so you can solve it easily. Pause the video and write the correct query for the problem. So I hope that you have solved this problem. If you still have any doubt, don't worry at all. All your doubts will be cleared now. Let us see what will be the solution to this problem and match it with your answers. We want to extract the names of the students. Therefore, we specify the name in the select statement and then the name of the table from which student names will be extracted. Then we will specify the conditions. The condition in this problem is that the marks of the students should be more than 75. So we specify the condition inside the where clause. And then we also want to sort by the last 3 letters of the name. Therefore, for that we use the order by clause, and to extract the last 3 characters, we will make use of the write function. And we can see in the problem statement that if the last 3 characters of 2 or more student names are the same, then we have to sort by ID. Therefore, we specify the ID by putting a comma on the side of the write function. So as you can see, our query is complete. Great. So what do you guys think? Is this query correct? Well, submit this code to see if the query is correct or not. And yes, our query is absolutely correct. Great. Now, let us go ahead and solve the next problem. So, our next problem statement is, write a query that prints a list of employee names, that is, the name attribute, from the employee table in alphabetical order. We have also given the details of the employee table. Employee table has 4 columns: employee ID, name, month, and salary. Employee ID is the ID number of the employee. Name column means name of the employee. Month column contains the details of for how many months the employees have been working in the company. And the salary, that is, how much is the salary of the employee. We are also given the sample input and sample output. We have to extract the names of all the employees, but in the ascending order. So again, this is a very simple question. Everyone should know the solution to this problem. Do not worry if you do not know. Don't get demotivated. Your SQL concepts will get strong only with practice. Please pause the video and try solving this problem. So I hope you have solved this problem. Well, in fact, this was a very easy problem to solve. Let us see what will be the query of the problem, and you should cross-check with your answer. If we want to extract the name column, then we will specify the name column with the select statement. And then the table name, and then we want to sort the names so we can have an order by clause in SQL. So we will sort the names in ascending order. By default, the names will be sorted in ascending order. If we want to sort in descending order, then we will have to use the DESC keyword. And here is our query that is ready. Let us submit it quickly and see if our query is correct. And yes, our query is absolutely correct. Fantastic. So we have solved many problems so far, but it is not enough. The more we practice, the stronger our concepts will be. So let us move on to the next problem. The problem statement is, write a query that prints a list of employee names, that is the name attribute, for employees in employee having salary greater than $2,000 per month who have been employees for less than 10 months. Sort your result by ascending employee ID. We have also been given the details of the employee table. This is the same table that we used in the previous question as well. We have to extract the names of those employees whose salary is more than $2,000 per month and whose experience is less than 10 months. And we have to sort those employee names by employee ID. Well, this is a simple problem, so you can give it a shot. Pause the video and write the correct query for the problem. So I hope that you guys have solved this problem. In case you still have any doubt, then those doubts will be cleared now. Let us see what will be the query of the problem and cross-check with your answer. We will specify the name column with the select statement from the employee table and then specify the condition using the where clause. We have two conditions. First, salary should be more than 2,000 and second, months should be less than 10. We will separate both the conditions with the AND operator and then sort by employee ID. The AND operator takes care that both the conditions are satisfied. So our query is ready now. Let us see if this is correct or not. And yes, our query is absolutely correct. We have solved so many questions. I hope you are now comfortable in solving these type of questions. As I have said before, keep practicing. This will make your concepts even stronger. Stay safe and keep learning. Bye.